Hello. I thought I'd do a stream about the project browser for Obsidian. I haven't I haven't worked on my Obsidian plugins for a little while because I've been moving and doing all sorts of stuff. So anyway, let's have a look at what I have done lately. So I think the last video we showed I showed priorities in here, but I've done some ordering of things and a quick menu. So now you can click on this last button to change the view mode. So if I click that, it changes to a list view, changes to a detailed card view, simple cards, and small cards. I didn't want to have a drop down. I wanted it to be really, these are simple options. So I want it to be quick to just kind of cycle and find the one you want. Let me go to this one. So then the next one is hide priorities. So, or priority visibility. So at the moment it's set to hide priorities, but if I click that, it shows the priorities. So you can see I've marked these two low priority and these two low priority and these 5 high priority. But if I click it again, it then groups the priorities. So now low is at the end, high is in the middle, and no priorities. Sorry, high is at the start and no priorities are at the end. And if I click it again, it goes back to hiding the priorities and doing the normal order. So I can cycle between those really quickly. And then the first one is alias, is the sort order. So at the moment it's set to alias or file name. So you can see I've got numbers first at the start of these files and then letters at the start of these files. So you can see it's in order. But if I click it to creation date, now you can see it's ordered in order of when it was created. And if I click it again, it goes to modified date, which is a little bit broken at the moment because if I show the priorities, when you change the priorities, it changes the modified date. So I've got to fix that so it doesn't do that. But if I go back to, let's say, alias or file name, you can see if the priorities are hidden, then it's ignoring the priorities when it's ordering according to file name. But if I turn on the priorities, it's still ordering. So now it's set to show priorities. It's still ordering by file name, but it's making the priorities visible. And if I click it again, it then groups the priorities and orders by file name within each group. So by quickly hitting these 3 buttons, you can change the visibility for yourself. So we've also got that down for this, all state menus have that. And we've also got that down here. So you can quickly cycle even if it's not in a state. That's it. So when you change these things, it will save them. And next time you start Obsidian, these sections, these states will be in the same view mode. That's it for now. I look forward to releasing this, but there's still a couple of things I have to clean up and I need to test it on iPad and mobile as well. So that's it for now. Thanks.